it look like it's the same, but that's one. We on, this is number 2, and we waiting on the 4th one. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good business in the morning for sure. When it's all said and done, it's a little baby old mortar machine that can get done. You see, he want to switch up the color for one of them for his son. But they, black owned business, y'all know I'm working with pain here and there, but you know, I support all black owned businesses. That's for sure. And we up out of there. We up out of there. Yeah. It will be televised. You feel me? It will be televised. One thing I like about me is, boy, I love progress. Oh, yeah, y'all see it. Y'all see it. One of a kind. But y'all see it. I love progress. I like when people could just come in, do what they supposed to do, and show me progress. Today, we got progress. And I'm gonna show it to you right now. My electrician has been working. My boy has been working. Put everything up like I asked him to. We got all the sockets almost ready to go. You know that over there. We finna go up. He done already started taking down the lights. Vents that's in his way, they can go all time. We're gonna be ready for you in a second. What is it? But yeah, progress, progress, progress. So as you can see, he kind of rehung that one. But the light's gonna go above the vents. And then what we're gonna do with the vents and all that come next, you know, y'all just gonna have to wait to see. But paint, heating in there gonna get me right. Look like he almost ready to get the sink installed over here. But overall, as long as I'm seeing progress, that's the key, everybody. Progress, progress, progress. Now let's walk over. Hold on, let's cut this light off. I'm gonna get out of here. Ain't gonna be in this person way once he get in. If y'all need a good electrician, I'll let him know who you is after he finish my job. Let's see what else we got. You know I gotta lock it up. Y'all bear with me. Then I dropped the keys. Move for this. What progress we got in here? Let's see. One, got my spotlight cam. Not my cam. My floodlight for the back. For the court. I got Rio Link. Get the cameras. Yes, sir. And they will track you. They are PTZ cameras. I repeat, they will track you. You know, there's some more cameras in here. But, you know, security always. Oh, look at my son. Ain't he amazing? This is I think it's one of the wide. This gonna be the parking lot cam. Wide angle lens. But we still also have progress here too. He was able to get these sinks installed. So that's much appreciated. Still got a little bit of work to do, and I think this one leaking a little bit, but yeah, we got progress. That's hot water too. Y'all remember I did get that gas turned on. Yeah. You know, just showing y'all progress. If we hurry up, you see the drainage, had to get it. Still waiting on him to finish this up, but you see that the water drains outside. It's a drain, hold on, for all my health and safety inspectors. This is going to be tied into this drain, this outlet right here. So it ain't like we gonna be throwing raw shampoo and plumbing into the atmosphere. Just wanted y'all to know that. But yeah, so we got progress going on there. We got some cameras. Waiting on my Cat 6 to come in so I can do that. Get the IP cameras ran and handled. Where we at next? See what progress and did over here. This is minor of the three, but progress that is worth being celebrated. I got the parking lot, the side building cameras and all of that, or lights. These gonna be the LED bar lights that I go with. These are 8 foot long, and I'm gonna space them out so it's gonna pretty much be a 16-foot bar going across. It's gonna be a 16-foot bar. I'm gonna pair those together, and it's gonna be a long bar. And then what we have here, the shop we got fiber. So you know what that means? We got internet, but you know what that means? We got fire sticks on the way, and you know what that means? We might have a PlayStation tournament or an Xbox tournament or a gaming tournament, cause you know I'm gonna be in here on the 2K or on the Call of Duty. That's just my pastime. Y'all just don't blame me. But I don't know if I had last showed y'all this, but this is what that process of taking the ballast out of the light and then jumping these LED lights, it's kind of what that looks like. That's what I did in the salon. But I got new, I needed to order some more. I came up being 4 short. So I'm gonna do that, and I'm probably gonna swap these out with 2 of the good ones or the better looking ones that's inside of here. But we still working on the door. He's supposed to come out, give me a door quote. I think that's at like 3, but overall, progress is being made. Progress. Ready to close out some of these items, but trust the process. So yeah, so at the end of the day, you know me. I'm gonna trust the process every time. Oh man, I need to get some mats. It gets slippery around this piece. But you know, officially, once I get me a table, I needed the internet so I can actually do my real work. You know, working for the man. I could come set my office up here and get a lot of my work done for the city and the state. So this would be my official office versus working at home and doing all that type stuff. So I think it's just dope that I got that capability now. So probably start bringing some stuff down there so we can start knocking out some stuff. But overall, progress has been made, and I'm cool with that. But I know y'all like this. I know y'all see it. This one ain't got the beyond your limits on it. You know, this was something quick I had done, but it is still, it's reflective. I think I'm gonna like the reflective vinyl more than I like anything. But yeah, I'm glad I'm back. And I had a long break, but you know, it's very important to start holding people accountable, especially in this business world, because you know we like to work together, but at the end of the day, it's like sometimes people don't move as fast as you want them to move. And I'm a patient guy, but at the same time, when more work needs to be done, don't be surprised if I look for somewhere else. But overall, trust the process, loving the process, still working. This movement will be televised. We got much more stuff in store. Y'all stay tuned. SOAR, the clothing line, coming soon. It ain't just merch. It ain't just merch. Y'all done seen hoodies. Y'all done seen t-shirts. Y'all done seen basketball shorts. Y'all done seen boxer briefs. That ain't merch. You start handing out drawers, that is no longer merch. You gotta say, I got a clothing line at this point. So at the end of the day, if it ain't SOAR, MBK, came from nothing, you're probably not gonna see me in anything else. Probably not. I just don't have a passion to wear people I never met clothes, who don't donate to our communities. Just saying. We black people, we spend what, 2-point-something trillion dollars, and how much of that is going back or reinvested into our community? We gotta do better. So I'll just lead the way, start the trend, or follow the trend like many others who came before me, and show y'all how to build our own stuff. And yeah, try to recirculate our own money. But until then, hit the brunch house up. Great breakfast, secret menu item, French toast sandwich. Yeah, I started that. Yeah, go in there and ask for it. Only a few cooks and Asia might know, and Miss Brunch House might know. But make sure y'all go visit them Wednesday through Sunday. They be closed on Monday and Tuesdays. Otherwise, I'll be eating a breakfast sandwich. I will be getting one tomorrow, if I don't have to go to Dublin. But yeah, let's start supporting our people, especially the ones that's actually providing good service. I ain't saying we got to support all of us, because all of us don't give the best service. The ones that's doing it the right way, we got to support them. That's the only way we're going to grow as a community. That's the only way we're going to grow as a people. But yeah, y'all stay tuned. Showed y'all some progress. It must be televised. Support small businesses. Support your local business, black businesses. We going beyond our limits, soaring beyond your limits. So yeah, let's just keep achieving on every level. And I love y'all, appreciate y'all. Y'all keep that positive vibe going on this Tuesday. And I'll check back in with y'all later when I got more stuff to show y'all.